Hello, digital enthusiasts. Welcome back to Skill Ful Solutions, your ultimate destination for mastering all things tech. Today, we're diving into the world of social media creativity. Get ready to learn how to make captivating reel on Facebook. If you're eager to share your moments in a fun and engaging way, you're in the right place. Step 1. Choose Reel. Launch your Facebook app and tap on the Create Reel icon on the top left corner. Step 2. Open Facebook Camera. By allowing your camera to record and create reels, you can begin. This is where the magic begins. You're just a few taps away from creating a reel that will catch eyes. 3. Capture your moments. Get ready to capture your moments. Hold the capture button to start recording your video. Remember, you've got up to 60 seconds to shine, so make every second count. Tip 4. Add creative touches. Unleash your creativity. You can add music, text, and effects to your reel to make it truly pop. Swipe through the options to find the perfect elements that match your vibe. Step 5. Share your reel. You've created a masterpiece, and now it's time to share with the world. Tap on the arrow button to add caption, hashtags, and choose who can see your reel. Once you're satisfied, hit that share button. You have your very own Facebook Reel. It's ready to charm your audience. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech-savvy guides, and ring that notification bell.